Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here in Athens, Greece. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know how much I love the Acropolis. This is the Acropolis. Beautiful, right? We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you trading on Bitcoin and Ethereum from my phone. I do all this from my phone while I travel the world. I've been doing it since 16, so almost 20 years now, which is crazy. And I'm going to show you technical analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum quickly, and I'm just going to give you updates. I've been buying a lot of IOTA. I think that's the best play right now. I'm going to build a $250,000 position because IOTA announced. So IOTA means Internet of Things. Like IOTA is Internet of Things, IOTA. And what Internet of Things is, everything being connected to the internet. And IOTA, what they're pretty much doing is they're making microtransactions between Internet of Things, between computers, between devices. And they made a partnership announcement, and they just casually did it. They just casually showed that they partnered with UAE in Dubai. And you know, if you know about Dubai, you know how much they push smart cities. So I think IOTA is going to be doing something really big with Dubai, and it could be worth like really huge amounts of money. So I build a big position on IOTA. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going technicals, and the including stock is up a lot, which is beautiful. If you followed my videos for a while, you know I bought Google on the bottom. Oh, it's loading. Yep, FXS up 3%, Google up 3%, which is beautiful. I bought Google at around $80, so it's up quite a bit, and I bought a large amount of it because it's Google. The rest of the market quite flat. Most things green a little bit, Bitcoin slightly red. MCRT up 1.5, FXS up 3%. Google I bought a lot of, and it's right now broken a very strong resistance line. And that looks like a huge bottoming formation on Google, really big bottoming formation. So very amazing. I might add more into it, but it has gone up a lot. Just keep that in mind. But for a long term, I really like Google as a company. It's, in my opinion, safer than the US dollar. When we go closer, we're looking at Bitcoin. This is price moving since July last year, so almost 1 year. This is when we bottomed at 16K, big inverse head and shoulders. When we go closer, stochastic is overbought. On the weekly, it's turning down, but on the weekly, it's still within this trend lines. Like when I go closer on Bitcoin, looks like there's a lot of lines here. I got to clear it up a little bit. But you can see here that we have this Elliott wave count that's playing out on Google. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's still trending up. Fifth wave is the final and fifth wave. So right now I still think we're in this third wave, but it is having this kind of curving top. So I do expect Bitcoin to come to 23,000. This trade here, 23,461. I opened a short on Bitcoin earlier today. If you followed the video from earlier today, I said a short. I didn't open it because I'm building position on IOTA mainly, but that short is now in profits. The target is 25,000. If you haven't taken that short, still possibility. Move your if you took the short, move your stop loss into profits. If you haven't taken the short, this is where I would short Bitcoin. And targeting 25, this is the trade opening at short 26,977, stop loss, 27,037, stop loss 27,201, and take profit at 25,000. 11 risk to reward ratio, risking 164 to make 1,924 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $19,000. And then I expect a bounce and then go long from this 25K back up to 27K, and then a bigger drop down to that 23K. And this is when I want to open this mega long on Bitcoin, this one here, which is 21 risk to reward ratio, risking 643 to make 14,000. With 10x leverage, it's 140,000. So that's what I would open on Bitcoin, those three trades. So you can see that smaller one, and the way you read these trades is the gray line. This line here is where the trade opens, so 27K. This is where the trade automatically closes, and the green line is where the take profit is set on the shorts. Same with the opposite. So on this one going long, the gray line is where the trade opens, 25K, stop loss 24,899, and take profit at 27,000. The reverse. So in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to do that on the hourly, 4 hourly. It looks like it's going to break down very quickly. Hopefully not, but I just see this big head and shoulders on the. If we go into the 4 hourly, you can see this big head and shoulders on the shorter mid time frame. This one here, shoulder, head, shoulder. and it's already dropped quite a bit since I said this. I closed positions like up here somewhere, so that saved me a lot in my position. Now what I'm doing is I'm building IOTA trade. I've been talking about this. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do on Bitcoin and these other ones, under the video, go down below, go underneath this video, sign up, click that thumbs up button, click that bell notification to be notified of the video, sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 of bonuses when you use that link. And I'm building this position on IOTA. You can see here I've got this trade open, 564 in profits. It's a 15,000 trade, but it's got now around $77,000. So it's $15,000 of margin, but it's a $77,000 trade now because I've been adding to it's a 5x leverage. So I'm going to add more, and I've got buy orders. You can see here I've got a lot of buy orders for IOTA laddered down, 178, 1755, 169. So a lot of orders to add more to IOTA as it pulls back, because I just want to build up a $250,000 position on IOTA. In this account I have 269k, up around like 1k or something since yesterday, 44k USDT, 33 MCRTK, 15k Uniswap, 13k Uniswap is about even today. Bitcoin, I bought half a Bitcoin yesterday, it's about even. FXS is up quite a bit from when I bought it, but around 25%, but I'm going to ladder into FXS on pullbacks. And I've got a lot of buy orders on the trades here, like Bitcoin, FXS, Uni. That's on the spot, so that's buying spot. This is buying leveraged. And I've got buy orders to add more to IOTA. So right now it's only $15,000, but I want to build it to $50,000 with 5x leverage, so it'll be $250,000. And again, if you want to trade on Bitcoin, on Bybit, you can go home and you can click Apex. And if you don't want to do KYC on Bybit, you can trade using Apex, and it's non-KYC DEX exchange, so you can trade decentralized using Web3, which is beautiful. So those are my updates. Also, what else is there? There's a lot of updates for Magicraft and stuff like this. You can follow me on Twitter to check it out, James Crypto Guru. This was when I called the top on November 11th, 2021, telling everyone to get out of Bitcoin. Something cool coming for Magicraft. Now you can party with your friends in Magicraft to PvP and earn MCRT, which is beautiful. New partnership for ChatGod. ChatGod has now hit 5,000 users in one day. Now 125,000 users using ChatGod.ai. It's growing like crazy. 125,000 on week 9. And 1.5 million messages sent, and 128,000 in the last 24 hours. So ChatGod is just growing like crazy. You can use it, chatgod.ai. So quick updates on Bitcoin. In tomorrow's video, I'll do an update on Ethereum. And I'm just going to build this position on IOTA. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you again tomorrow.